All right. It's a ISDT parallel charger. Now, what I've been using, I got a couple of these. Sorry, a couple of these. Oh shit! What was the name again? HCLRC. The Thor, the 6-port balance charger. This is a spectacular unit. I'll let you pause it there if you want to read the back. Plenty enough people have already reviewed them. I went with it. It's got a lot of great features packed into it. It's quality over the last year. Some of these screws need to be Loctited and retightened. The fasteners, they're a little loose. But other than that, that's like the only one tiny little nitpick I could have about this thing. Other than that, 100% worth every penny. I think it was like a $35 unit, and so I got 2 of them, and they have never done anything less than perfect performance. So why did I get this? Because I have 8S packs now, and I want to have an 8S parallel charge potential. Because I got 4 of them for my my logo, and if I end up getting even more, I just wanted the option. I don't know how I might even integrate this into a field charging kit. Who knows? See if I can get it open in time for everybody here. Wow. All right, there we go. That is a heavy, solid unit. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's a very heavy, solid unit. Already weighs more than this one does. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, what is that, aluminum? No, that's not aluminum. That's steel. Wow. Okay, good on you. Here you go. Zoom in and read what you want. 40 amp input and 30 amp outputs with a 2 amp balance. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's kind of a bummer though. XT60s. I mean, come on. I got conversions. I'm just only putting out 30 amps. Yeah. All right, fine. I'll meet you in the middle and say XT60 works. But I would have. I mean, my batteries themselves are XT90s, but anyways, I got adapters. That's a nitpick, and I guess that would be preferential, and they probably went with the more common need and acceptance that XT60 is going to be plenty enough just fine for this. All right, thank you.